questions. I had a question, why I'm actually going. Am I going to flee my everyday life? Am I going to get more of trainings? Why? Or am I going because I don't want to miss something? But I was very quickly, I was clear that I need to go.
Well, first of all, it's a long ways for me to come. But I think the biggest thing that was going through my head was, I don't know about all this yin stuff. It's not like I don't like yummy things, but like, is this going to be too much women's circly stuff that's too out there and too woo-woo or something that I can't get into? But it turns out that, and I knew this would also be the case, however I was would be okay, and I would be welcomed as I was.
I like that all of us are staying in this villa. That's a format it suits me very well. I like how body-centered this work is, because it really got me into my body. And I really appreciate the insights and the learnings that I got from you.
The spaciousness to be with myself, to be with other women. It feels like there could always be more. How did I not have more time with that? Because there were so many juicy things to do and people that I wanted to be with and talk with.
All of them. I love the mixture. I love the temple meetings. I love the coaching sessions. I like the workshops, and also having this buddy group, just checking up on ourselves and bringing. There are so many different dimensions which we are moving in, like between the very physical and the spiritual, but also the being in touch with other women on so many different levels.
The thing that touched me the most is the opportunity to be really present and to be seen. And to be with other women who are really deeply in themselves. When I can be deeply in myself and we can be together and feel really seen is a real treasure. And something we don't get as often in our life. And to just have a whole week of it is pretty intense, but amazing. And I can step away when I need to. I also had the hard question to ask that I wanted to bring up about the world situation and things that I thought, this might be too big. Again, this might just put a big wet blanket on everything. But once again, I see that this modality can hold it all.
Coming into my body and filling it with myself, and to work on my own processes, and also to feel other women and their challenges, and at the same time to be in such a gorgeous, lovely space and such a safe space, which is held by all of you. So we have such a beautiful container where everybody is safe, and where we can learn from each other, and where we can inspire each other. And this is such a gift.
There's a deep relaxation setting in. Yes. But I feel quiet and calm now. It puts me in a state of being able to make decisions and to see what I really want, to feel where do I want to go, and then decide. I know I found a way into my personal recovery retreat, my internal, and I know how to access now. I always knew it was there, but I didn't know how to get there, and now I know.
And what difference does that make?
If I can access that space anywhere I am, I don't need to go anywhere. So I can always take a breath and maybe a few minutes and recover, and that makes me more resilient.
I feel powerful. And the biggest change, coming back to myself.
I would recommend this retreat.
Yes, definitely I would recommend from all of my heart.
Yes, of course, fully. Because of all the insights that I had, because of this fully being welcomed here with everything I am, so I can welcome myself with everything I am. And that is such a good experience.
For anyone who is interested in building a connection with yourself and with other deep thinking, deep acting women who are willing to offer their gifts to the world. Like a big hug.
I feel like Venus coming out of the shell.
It's like a sunrise because it's so powerful and so full of light and full of hope and full of new beginnings. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.